Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Ranger LARIAT. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, trailer tow package, convenience package, and the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, side view camera. We do get a remote start on this vehicle, which is perfect for the cold winter months, with front park sensing, block heater, recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior with some cool designs on the seats. We got the nice floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, storage under the seats as well. More storage here with some outlets, and we do get 120 volt outlet, and you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a powered driver and passenger seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks. You got power folding mirrors and memory seating for up to 3 drivers, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 7.8 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume voice, cruise control with lane centering. We got my view, trip and feel, off-road, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, trail control with traction, park sensing, auto stop, auto start, drive modes, and four-wheel drive, cup holders and storage, wireless charging, outlets, and of course you do get tons of storage underneath with a 12 volt. You got your basic climate controls at the bottom, volume and hazards, dual climate, storage above, below, and we do get a lovely powered rear window opener. We got our garage door transmitter as well, and a nice big infotainment system with your climate controls right here. Dual climate, heated front seats, and heated steering wheel. For your audio, you get AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. You got your phone controls right here as well. Pretty easy to use. Navigation, zoom in and out. You can also search, media, and your trailer. So towing checklist, you can go through settings, all that jazz. All your settings and apps can be found in here, such as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and settings here, auto hold, off-road, and your lovely 360 view of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE29475, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.